Hey everybody, it's Miss Merchant here. I'm so excited because today I get to talk to you a little bit more about Seesaw and how we'll be using it at Perea Elementary School to stay connected during our time apart. In my previous video, I told you all how students get to use Seesaw. It's a website or an app that allows students to communicate with their teachers and also receive and send work to their teacher at school. But what I didn't tell you is that it's also an awesome tool to communicate between family members and teachers. Seesaw allows family members to receive announcements that are class-wide. It allows them to receive and send private messages to the teacher, as well as view their child's work in their Seesaw journal. In the following screen recording, I'm going to show you how to set up your Seesaw account as a family member. What will happen is the teacher is going to input your email or cell phone number into your child's Seesaw learning account. Once that is done, you will receive a text message or an email prompting you to make your own account. All right, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me or your child's teacher. Bye, everybody. Okay, so now here's the Seesaw tutorial. As I said, Seesaw is a tool for students, families, and teachers to all communicate and share work. I'm going to show you how families can use Seesaw to communicate with their student as well as communicate with their child's teacher. Teachers will use your email or cell phone number to add you as a family member on your student's Seesaw journal account. Then you will receive an email or text message from Seesaw inviting you to join your student's journal. You will be given a link, and once you follow the link, you will receive more instructions on how to set up your family member account. Once you click the link, it will direct you to the Seesaw website. You will need to enter your first name, last name, email address, and create a password in order to make a family account. You must have an email address in order to make an account. Once you've done that, it will direct you to your student's journal. Once you get to your student's journal, you will notice 3 icons on the top. The house is the home button. It will show you all of your students' work basically in a news feed. The next is a journal button. When you click on the journal button, it will show you all of the students that you have, and it will give you a link to send you to their student journal. If you have multiple students that go to Perea Elementary School, you only need to make one family account. All of your students' journals will be accessible through this account. When you click on your student, you can see their journal and all of the work that they have completed. The next tab you can see are messaging bubbles. This is where you can send private messages like a text message or an email to your student's teacher. You can also receive class-wide announcements through the Messages tab. Notifications will let you know when your student has done new work or any comments that the teacher has made to your student's work. Thanks again for taking the time to watch this tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact Perea and ask a teacher for help. Thank you so much, and we can't wait to connect with you.